Hello guys, and welcome back to my video. Right, so in this video we're going to fix this error whereby you're getting an error when you click into the vacancy details page. Right, so if we go inside of vacancy item widget, let's go inside of vacancy list widget right there. Right, vacancy list widget, navigator pop, it's supposed to be navigator.push named. I made a mistake here, so it's supposed to be push named, right? And then for our routes, right, our argument, we need to pass in our argument. That's why we're getting an error, right? So the argument is going to be data, and what, and then data, and then index, right? So that's our argument, right? Data dot index, and then dot what, dot vacancy, right? Right there. So that's the argument that we simply going to pass in. So now if we refresh our application now, as you can see now, if we go to our favorite model, as you can see now, if we click our favorite, now it takes us to our favorite, to our vacancy details screen right there. Right. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.